Okay, welcome back. In our previous two videos, we have looked at an example, a worked example of using sine and cosine to find the value of an unknown side. In this one, we're going to go on with our final trig ratio being tangent. So again, let's draw our triangle in. Okay, as always, excusing for artistic interpretation. I know it's getting boring, but here we go. We've got everything we need almost to keep going. We're gonna use 40 degrees again here. So our unknown side is going to be over here, and we're gonna say 12 on the bottom there. Now, we know that we're doing trigonometry, so the first thing we're gonna do, as always, Toa. All right, now, what we're going to do first, as we did in the previous two, we've got our dot in the middle and we're going to start to identify the sides. That's our very first step, as always. So from the angle given, through the middle, until we're out. Okay, so this one is our opposite. From the right angle, through the middle, oh, this one is our hypotenuse, and the last one left is our adjacent. Okay, so back up to our acronym, our trig ratio acronym. We know we have our opposite labeled. So sine has opposite and tangent has opposite. We also know that our adjacent is labeled. So coming back along, we've got adjacent and we have adjacent. Now, which one of those three trig ratios has both of them underlined? Well, we can see straight away tangent does. So we're going to be using our tan function in this. So tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. Now, that's our roadmap. That's our formula. Let's start to fill in what we do know. Tan 40 degrees is equal to our unknown, our opposite being our x, over our adjacent being 12. Now, what's our next step? As I'm sure some of you have already guessed, we're going to start to cancel out. So because we have a denominator of 12, multiply by 12. What we do to one side, we do to the other. So we're also going to multiply this by 12. Now our next line, tan 40 times 12 equals x, because as we know, we cancel that out and we cancel that out, okay? So when we put that into our calculator, we end up with 10.069 and so on. So we're just going to round that to 10.07 equals x. And that is using our tan function to find the value of an unknown side. As always, if you have any questions or any doubts or anything you're not quite sure about, write it down and bring it to class and we'll work through it in class. I'll see you then.